In today's video, we will cover the basics of a website, which will help us improve our SEO. So, let's get started. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers. I am Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. In today's video, we will learn the basics of a website. First of all is the web page. A web page is just a simple document that you see on your browser, meaning on Google, Internet Explorer or Safari, etc. A browser connects you to a server. Now, next one, what is a server? A server is a storage place to store all the online data. Whenever a person makes a website, all the information on the website is available on a server. When a person adds any information to the website, the server stores it immediately and very well. So the process is that a browser connects you to the server and the server provides you an information which displays on a page, which is called a web page. Then comes a website. A website is a collection of different web pages. For example, when you open a website, first of all, a home page is available for you. Then there are different pages related to your queries. So, this is the difference between a web page and a website. Now, let's see how a website is created. For example, we are creating a building. First of all, we make the structure of the building. And like this, we make the structure of a website, which is made with HTML. HTML is a markup language that is used for creating the structure of a website. HTML is a source file or coding of a website on the backend of a website, like this. This is my website Organically Marketing, and if I go to the coding of the website by just pressing Ctrl+U, so here we are. This is the example of HTML language of any website at the backend of a website. This is the example of HTML language. Our next step is to style the website, and this is done in CSS, meaning Cascading Style Sheet. CSS is a styling language that is used for styling a website, like adding images, graphics, styles, etc. If we just display HTML on our website, then a user can't understand that. So for a better user experience, we add CSS to HTML, like images, videos, and graphics, like this. CSS is just for styling. This is not a part of HTML. CSS is not for making or creating a website. This is for the user's better experience and understanding. Alright, next we will talk about a very important language, which is JavaScript. JavaScript is the next level of styling for adding more and advanced elements. For example, if I put my cursor on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Again, drop-down menu styling, or the images can move back and forth, and the advanced graphics can be added by JS or JavaScript. Images can move, moving graphics can be added, drop-down menus and many other advanced and necessary elements can be added just by JavaScript. Now our next step is to buy a hosting so that our website can be registered on the server. There are 4 types of hosting: shared hosting, VPS, virtual private server hosting, dedicated hosting, and cloud hosting. Shared hosting. Shared hosting is like your traffic is very low and now you decided to connect to a server where already some websites are live and running very well. You purchased shared hosting to increase your traffic. It is like you own a bookshop in the market of vegetables. Then it is very obvious that fewer people will come to your shop because their main concern in visiting that market is to buy vegetables. But after this situation, you decide to move your shop finally to the market of books. I think it's clear now. The next type of hosting is VPS, virtual private server hosting. In this, you are again sharing a hosting, but your server portion will be fixed, like 20% or 30% server portion will be just fixed for you. The next type is dedicated hosting. In this type, a complete server is fixed and arranged for you. And the fourth type is cloud hosting, which is very popular nowadays because through cloud hosting, when one server is down, your website will be connected to another server, and in this way, your website will never go down. Now, let's see through a practical example how our browser and servers work. If I go to a browser like Google, you can use any browser like Internet Explorer or Safari on iPhone. Here I will write a website's address, which is the domain name. And when I hit the enter, my browser will connect to a server and the server will show me that your address is correct. This website is available or exists on me, and this is the home page of your requested website. But if I want to go to another page and write something like this, then the browser will again connect to the server and the server is telling me now that this website is available. But your requested page is not. Sometimes our website does not exist, or sometimes an existing website's one page doesn't exist, and which results in a 404 error page. So viewers, this is the way a browser, a server and hosting works together. Right? Viewers, that's all from today's video. We will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum and thanks for watching.